This summer on TVJ.
This is the kind of influence this Jezebel have over our son.
Woman! No call me the name up here, you know.
Excuse me?
I'm this up in your yard.
Excuse me? No, what you need to do is get out of here and go home to your dirty children.
Hey, who listen to me?
Latisha.
First it was that Lego.
Latisha. She named Latisha.
Try to mash up your life. And now you're dating your aunt.
She found someone.
I think.
Someone? Like a man, someone?
I'm not sure, so don't quote me.
Your love life is on the rocks because you want to add a little more chase. Huh?
No, brother. Ren's I'm a long time friend.
So, if it's so perfect, why are you here?
Let me love you the way you deserve to be loved.
I already am.
That boy doesn't love you.
Boy.
I don't know if you do. Put your foot past here so you see what happens. Do. Hey, what? Hey, watch yourself. Watch yourself. What?
Stay in line and out of my business.
That sound like a check, sir.
The truth always comes out, and I am not going to spend the rest of my life wondering when it actually will.
You fly to New York. It's still there?
What a piece of bullfight I got broke over Miss Margaret.
This summer, Ring Games, Season 2 on TVJ.
Brought to you by WorldNet.